Hey everyone, Diane here, the self-taught entrepreneur. Guess what, guys? Today I want to talk about business ideas. Business ideas for 2024. We're getting towards the end of the year here, but there's still time to start a business online and work from home. Yeah, so one of the big things that I've been seeing this whole year so far that people are starting is related to digital products, digital photos. They're selling photography, selling PNG files. That's something I'm doing, and I have an affiliate program for people to earn money with by selling my photos, and I'm just getting that off the ground. But ebooks, that's another big thing. You can design websites. You can design graphic art for people and sell that. As far as digital products to sell, take a look on Etsy. Just type in digital downloads and look at the different things that people are creating and selling. That is a really great place to look, is on Etsy, etsy.com, ETSY.com. Go to Etsy. It's a marketplace online where crafters and sellers all over the world are selling on there. It's huge. I don't sell on there anymore because it's just too much competition and it's hard to sell. You sell a few things here and there, but not a big deal for me. I prefer doing everything through my website. But yeah, so go to Etsy.com, take a look at digital products for sale and see what people are creating and see if that's an interest you might have. Or comment below and we'll chat and see if I can help you get something started. So there's all kinds of things within the digital download market that you can do to start a business of your own. So, and if you want to check out my affiliate program that I have, it's under Make Money Online is the tab that you want to go to, the page that you want to go to on my website. My website is listed here in the description of this video below. So go take a look at that if you're interested in that too. Have a great day. Bye.